Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my dear students, my dear friends? I welcome you all in our social studies class. From today, we are going to start social studies classes. And according to the scheme of studies, we are in continuation of our lectures from first term, second term, and now it's a final term, and this is our lecture number 17. I hope you all have your books. This is your book, Social Studies for Pakistan, Class 2. Open your books. Today we are going to read Unit 6, Time and Movement, and it's Lesson 14 about the time. First of all, we are going to read this lesson. Then when I read, then you read after me. By this, your reading will improve, and once your reading is improved, then you can understand everything and you can learn and you can memorize all the things which you want. So first of all, you have to make your reading good. Okay, let's start reading. The time from when the sun rises till the sun sets is called a day. All of you already knew it, that when the sun rises from where? Sun rises from the east till the sun sets. Where sun sets in the west. And this whole period from sunrises to sunset is called a day. It's our daytime. When you can see the sunlight outside, then it's a daytime. But a full day lasts from midnight of one day to the next midnight of the following day, and it completes 24 hours. Suppose today is Monday. So at Monday midnight, the day starts till the Tuesday of the midnight. It calls whole one day, which has 24 hours, midnight to midnight. It covers 24 hours. Okay, children? Understand about the time from when the sun rises till the sun sets is called the day. In other terms, you know the time about the 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you know time like this. You can see the time from the watches or from the clocks, but in other words, we can say the time is also in another form. It is the time of the day or time of night and evening, morning, midday. These are the different forms of, you can say, time. So that's they are telling us when the sun rises till the sun sets is called a day, but a full day lasts from midnight of one day to the next midnight of the following day. Let's understand from here. 24 hours from midnight of one day to the midnight of next day. Suppose this is the midnight, then it goes, moon goes down, sun rises and sets, and then moon comes again. It is the next day, and here the one day completes 24 hours complete. Night after day, and then another night. Okay, now let's move forward. Here are some words which tell us about different times of the day. As I told you, different times of the day. Let's see. The first is dawn. What is dawn? Very early in the morning. What is the meaning of dawn? Very early in the morning, you can say before the sun rises or sun starts rising. This time we call it dawn. And then what is morning? After dawn comes morning, the first part of the day. When the sun comes up on the sky, this is the morning. You can understand like this: the morning is when you come to school, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. This is morning time, the first part of the day. Then after the morning, after 10, 11, and at 12 o'clock, this is called midday or noon. The middle of the day, when the sun is directly overhead, this is called midday or noon. You can see here, look, by this picture, this is dawn, sun starts coming. Here, sun is up, then sun is overhead. This is noon. Okay, then what is afternoon? The time after the middle of the day, after the midday comes afternoon, when sun starts going on another side, means towards the west. It's going to set, so it is afternoon. Reaches here, then going down. This is afternoon. Then after the afternoon, we have evening, the end of the day when it begins to get dark. This is evening. Sun is about to set. Then after evening, night, when it is completely dark, it's a night time. I will show you and then you can understand easily. Look, what is dawn? When the sun starts rising. This time is we call dawn. And the morning, you can see here, this is the morning. When you wake up and you are going to ready for the school, this is morning. The first part of the day, mean the first part when there is sunlight all around. After that, we have noon, the midday, when the sun shines brightly over our head, like this. It shines brightly and we feel hot at that time. When the sun is overhead, we feel hot. It's too bright at that time, noon or midday. Then after that, afternoon, when sun starts going down. Look, it starts going down. It is afternoon, noon, afternoon. Then afternoon, evening. When the sun is about to set, it's going down and the night, the darkness is coming. Look, it's going to set in the west. Noon, afternoon, evening, and then we have night. Night time, it's good night, it's time to sleep. Allah created night for our sleep, for our rest. Sometimes in the night we have crescent moon, sometimes we have full moon, and sometimes we have no moon, only stars on the sky. These are the different phases of the night, you can say, throughout the month. As you know, the moon starts in the shape of crescent, then it's becoming bigger and bigger, then a full moon, then it starts decreasing and then vanished. This is the night time. Understand the different parts of the day, the different phases or the different time of the day. In this lesson, they are telling you about the different time of the day: dawn, morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and then night. Okay, now the next page. This is the time. In actual, you know, if someone asks what is the time, then you say it's 3 o'clock, it's 15 past 12. But in other sense, we say what is the time? It's a daytime, it's afternoon time, like this. Okay, now here they are telling us, do you know that 60 seconds equal 1 minute? 60 seconds equal 1 minute. In a clock, sometimes we have 3 hands or sometimes we have 2 hands. This small hand is for the hour. This little bit bigger is for the minutes, and there is one more in some clocks and watches, not in all. There is a seconds hand. So 60 seconds, when the second hand covers all the face of the clock, it covers 60 seconds. It means 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know when the hand is on the 5, it doesn't mean that it's 1 minute. It's 5 minutes. It's on the 1. It means 5 minutes. Between each numbers, we have 5 minutes. So 5, 15, I will tell you later. Let's see here first. Then 60 seconds equal 1 minute. 60 minutes equal 1 hour. Then 24 hours equal 1 day. And 7 days equal 1 week. 52 weeks means 1 year. And 12 months also means 1 year. Understand, children? You have to remember this, memorize this, understand this. If you say 60 seconds or 1 minute, meanings are same. 60 minutes or 1 hour, same. 24 hours or 1 day. 7 days, 1 week. 52 weeks, 1 year. 12 months, 1 year. Okay, it's about the time. I will show here. Look, I was telling you about the second hand. This is the second hand. Look, it moves quickly. When it covers the face of the watch from 12 to 12, it covers 60 seconds, means 1 minute. Then this is the minutes hand, 5 minutes, then 10, then 15, here 20, 25, 30. This is the wristwatch, this is table clock, and this is wall clocks. As you can see how the hands of the clocks move. Understand? Seconds, minutes, and hours. So children, we were talking about the seconds, minutes, and hours. Now 7 days, 1 week, 52 weeks, 1 year, 12 months, 1 year. Let's see here. They are saying 7 days, 1 week. You can start count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 days means 1 week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It covers 1 week. 7 days equal 1 week. Then 52 weeks, if you count all weeks in the calendar, this is the calendar of 2020. So these are 52 weeks. And then they say 12 months equal 1 year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These are the 12 months equal 1 year. Okay, I hope you all learned these name of the months. Let's move again. Okay, here is a poem. It will help you to remember the months. It will also help you remember the number of days in each month. Let's read this poem. Here is the poem. 30 days in September, April, June, and November. 30 days in September, April, June, November. All the rest have 31, excepting February alone. And that has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. What is the leap year? First, they told you about the 30 days in September, April, June, and November. Then all the rest have 31, except February. In February, we have 28 days, but in a leap year, we have 29 days in the month of February. And what is the leap year? Let's read here. There are 365 days in a year. In a leap year, there is always an extra day. Understand what is the difference between a normal year and a leap year? Leap year, always an extra day. That day is the 29th of February. A leap year comes every 4 years and has 366 days. Understand the difference of a leap year? Leap year comes after every 4 years 2020 was the leap year. Now 2024 will be the leap year. And before 2020, 2016 was the leap year. Let's see here. 2020 in February, month of February, we had 29 days. And then 2021, we are going to have in the month of February, we are going to have 28 days because 2021 is not the leap year. 2020 was the leap year. This is the difference. 2024 will be again the leap year because after every 4 years we have the leap year. Leap year means in a year which February has 29 days and the whole year has 366 days. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, now we have the question answer. I hope you all understood what I told you about the time, about the different phases of the day, different parts of the day, and about the time, minutes, seconds, and then months of the year. And now we are in our question answer. Okay, what is the difference between day and night? The difference between the day and night is the sunlight. There is no sunlight at night. When is the sun directly overhead? The sun is directly overhead at midday or noon. How many seconds are there in a minute? There are 60 seconds in a minute. Write what you have learned about a leap year. In a leap year, there is always an extra day. Okay, children, for question answers, you have to write these in your notebooks in a good, neat, and clean writing. Do your work properly. Write in the lines, equal letters, space between the words. Okay, good. Let's move towards the work page. In work page, we have 3 exercises, A, B, and C. Exercise A, okay, I will make it big. Let's see. The letters in these words have been jumbled, mean mix up. They are disordered. They are not in the order. That's why we cannot read this. What is the word is? Write the words correctly. They are the name of the days. They have given us the clue that these are the name of the days. So we have to find out. Let's start first. We have here DR with D, A, and Y. It becomes day. What is left? R, S, A, T, U. It must be Saturday. Let's see. Yes, it's Saturday. Then we have MY. Which day starts from M? Monday. Monday day. Then what is this? It's again day separated. What is left? SHUTR. It must be THUR. It's Thursday. Now here is W. So which day starts with W? It's Wednesday. Then it's TUES, Tuesday. You have to arrange, and when you see here F, it means it's Friday. And FUN, it's Sunday. You will enjoy when you do this. See these jumbled letters carefully and make the name of the day, correct name of the day. Now exercise B, match the following, what they are saying, 7 days. 7 days in 1 day, in September, in a minute, in 1 week. 7 days in 1 week. Then 24 hours in 1 day. 365 days in 1 year. 30 days in September. Remember, 30 days in September, April, June, and November. So there is no April, June, and November. So 30 days in September. 366 days, leap year. 60 seconds, 1 minute in a minute. Okay, children, match with the help of ruler. Use the ruler to draw line. Okay, good. Then exercise C, write the number of days in each month. You have to learn this poem, 30 days in September, then you easily do it. Look, 30 days in September, September, April, June, and November. It means on January you have 31 days. Then in February, remember 28 or 29. Then in March, 31 again, because remember the poem, 30 days in September, April, June, and November. No March there in this poem. So it means March has 31. Then April 30, April, June, and November. Then May again, 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, and then December 31. Okay, children, complete this exercise also in your social book, work page number 42. And after doing this, your lesson is done. Now your homework is to write the question answer in your notebook, and you have to learn the work page, the three exercises A, B, C. Okay, that's all for today. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next class. Take care.